Hi everyone, I'm here today with a video that I promised you guys a long time ago that I'm finally getting around to filming, and it is my mask proof, Disneyland proof, 16 plus hour all day wear proof makeup routine. This is what I do pretty much most days because I just love the way it looks. I do get up super early in the morning to do my makeup, so it lasts from 6 in the morning when I'm doing my makeup all the way to the very end of the day, 8, 9 o'clock when I'm finally washing my makeup off at the end of the day. It always looks fresh and beautiful at the end of the day as it does at the beginning. I wore this to Disneyland. It lasted through putting a mask on and off, my sunglasses on and off, the heat. It's just a really amazing combination, and the foundation is drugstore. And the setting spray, which is also the combination of those two, I think is really what the secret sauce is high end. But I really hope you guys enjoy it. I already did my eyes in the tutorial, so you're just gonna see the face products, but I hope you guys enjoy. If you are new, welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoy this video and decide to stay a while. Hit that subscribe button before you leave, and let's jump right into my all day wear, mask proof Disneyland, 16 plus hour wear tutorial, products that I love, things that are working. So now let's jump right into the tutorial. That way you can have your makeup lasting all day long. Okay, so I'm going to show you my mask proof, Disneyland proof. This makeup is like it will last you all day. At least it does for me. When we went to Disneyland back in August, this is what I wore every day. We had to wear masks on and off. It was pretty warm most of the days we were there, and literally I had no wearing of makeup on my nose or on my chin. It lasted and looked flawless for all day, like 16 plus hours. So I'm going to show you what I did. The first step is primer. The primer that I used in Disneyland was the Becca Backlight Primer, the one, or the purple primer. I've just been using this and it has been working just fine, the Too Faced Hangover RX primer. So I would just use whatever your favorite primer is. I haven't found that the primer really dictates if this lasts all day. So like I said, I've used this one. I've used the purple Becca primer, which I heard Becca and Smashbox kind of paired up. I don't know if that primer will still be around, the one in the purple, or the purple primer, but that one works really well too if you have it, or if it is still available. Otherwise, that one works great. And then because I like more of a glow to my skin, this step is optional. If you don't like a glow to your skin, you don't have to do this, but I'm going to just because I really like the glow and it doesn't affect my makeup. So this is the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless, Hollywood Flawless in shade 3. And I like to put this all over my face. And if I'm breathing really heavily, I'm 30 weeks pregnant, so I'm always breathing heavy. Poor little baby boy is like really just nice and smashed in there. So you can use a beauty blender, you can use your fingers to blend it in. If you don't have the Hollywood Flawless filter, feel free to use whatever your favorite glow product is if you want the glow, you know? Okay. Next, I like to do a tiny bit of pore filling. This is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty. This is just the regular one. And I literally take, do you see that smallest amount? Look at my hands. My self tanner, oh my gosh, came off my fingers when I did my nails, but it's like on my knuckles. So don't mind that. But look how pretty and glowy my skin looks now. Now I'm going to take the foundation. You can get this off Amazon. You used to be able to get it at Ulta, but I believe they discontinued it from Ulta. So you can get it on the Catrice website or on Amazon. So I have 2 shades. Since my neck is tanner than my face, I'm gonna go in with a pump of Neutral Hazel, which is what I tend to use most often. I'm gonna do like a pump and a half. And then I'm gonna do 1 pump of Neutral Toffee. And then I have this Beauty Blender foundation. that I literally just like use this tray constantly to mix my foundation. And we're just going to put it on our face. And I like to use a beauty blender. If you like to use, actually this is an e.l.f. complexion sponge, but if you like to use a brush, you can. I just tend to think, at least for my skin, I like the look of a beauty blender a lot better. If you're curious, the sparkly color on my eyes, this is an Old Charlotte Tilbury Bejeweled Eyes to Hypnotize. It's like a sparkly, or it's a kind of bronzy shade in there. Really any bronze shade. If you had like bronze or tempting from MAC, you could get a very similar look. And then I just topped it with those new Jaclyn Hill like sparkly toppers she just came out with. You can get them at Ulta or Jaclyn Hill's website. That's where I got them. I got them I ordered them the day they launched. It's in the shade North Star, and I've been using those. I bought all the shades, and I've been using them every day. I really like them. They're like a really pretty cream sparkle shadow. So that is what's on my eyes. And then I just used my Wet n Wild liquid liner that I always use. Okay, so the foundation and then the setting spray is really what's gonna make it last. So I'm gonna just drag it down my neck. This foundation is just literally so amazing. It's a wonderful foundation to wear on its own. It's great to mix. It just really is something special. Okay, then I'm gonna use for concealer, the True Skin concealer from Catrice. You can use whatever concealer you want, honestly. Okay. Okay. I think everything's gonna show. I'm filming this on my phone, so I think it's gonna show up backwards because I forgot to flip the setting again so that things don't show up backwards. But I don't like that setting, the mirror setting off when I take pictures, because I feel like it like distorts my face in photos. But for video, it keeps things from being backwards, but that's okay. Okay, so I just kind of blend all that in. Optional if you don't like cream bronzers or whatever, you don't have to do this step, but since this Milk one, look at the packaging's all broke, it's all busted because I've used it so much. But I'm just going to, I'm trying to finish it up because the packaging is so busted and broken. I'm ready to get rid of it. So I'm trying to finish it. But I really like the Anastasia cream bronzer, the new ones that come in the little pots. Also the Saie, S-A-I-E, that bronzer is really nice too. I got it in the shade, I think I have medium. And both of those are really great cream bronzers if you're in the market for a cream bronzer. This Milk one is great too. The packaging just broke on me, and it does have like a Play-Doh smell. It has since I bought it. A lot of you said that yours smell like that too, so I think the bronzer just smells like Play-Doh. But it's a really nice bronzer. See, it's just like, this is so quick and easy. This is like what I do every single morning. I wear this foundation like literally every day because it is that good. I always know that my makeup is going to last all day long. It's gonna look flawless. It's gonna look beautiful. Like, look at my skin. It just looks so flawless. It looks so nice. Okay, I don't think I'm gonna do cream blush today. So I'm gonna set everything. The one I've been using lately to set is this Pat McGrath, but another tried and true is the Infallible. So you can use that powder. It really is good. That is what I used down in Disneyland, was that Infallible powder. I used that under my eyes and I used it to set my whole face. So that just gives you like extra, oh my gosh, I inhaled this powder. Just gives you extra insurance to really lock it in. So you can definitely use that powder. It's a great drugstore under eye powder and all over face powder. It's the L'Oreal Infallible, and I use the shade Light Medium Translucent. I'm just trying to use this up. This is the Pat McGrath. And I like this actually. It's very smoothing and blurring. So I've been really enjoying this powder. I've had it for quite a while. And so I was like, oh, it's a little pricey, so I should probably use it. And I really love it. So I just kind of set the center of my face with it because I like the blurring effect it gives. And then you can use that infallible powder to set your whole face if you would like. This is what I've been using lately, and it works totally fine. The Wet n Wild Photo Focus. This is in the shade Neutral Buff. But again, I have a lot of products that I'm trying to, like once they start to hit pan, I get real committed to finishing up. That's why you see me have so many empties, because I really do try to use products until I finish them, like once I've hit pan on something. And this is a wonderful powder. I've had this in the past. See how nice and smooth it makes everything look? There's some options for powders if you want to do something a little different, if you already have that infallible, especially because you guys know I rave about it all the time. So I'm sure if you tend to like products that I like, you probably already own that in your collection. All right, the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer. Again, see, I've hit massive pan on a lot of these, and I just keep using them until they're all gone. And this is a Morphe Jaclyn Hill brush. This is what I just use for bronzer every day. So I usually get up at like 6 a.m. every morning to do my makeup, and before the kids get up. And it's like pitch black out lately, so I haven't been able to film this, but Ted has been hunting all week. And so it's Saturday today, and my mother-in-law offered to take Liv for a few hours to give me a little break. And I was like, yes, please. And so I'm going to film a couple videos today. I'm gonna start trying to get ahead. Tomorrow's Halloween. I think I'm gonna try to get ahead on wrapping some of the kids' gifts that came in so that they can't sneak peek at them. I'm trying to be really proactive on getting on top of all my Christmas shopping this year. Usually I'm pretty good. By Thanksgiving, I usually have all the presents wrapped and shopped for. Okay, so there's my bronzer. And then I think for blush today, I think I'll use this one. This one's a Makeup Geek one in Cherish. Oh my gosh, I used to be so obsessed with Makeup Geek blushes. This is a MAC 139. It's just a duo fiber brush. I've been really loving this for blush lately. Just love the way it applies it. Okay, look at this, 12 minutes in and we almost have our whole like face makeup done. I really try to, I usually watch my show while I get ready, but I've gotten really quick at doing like my whole makeup in like 30 minutes, 35 minutes. So I like to go into these two shades. I've like raved about this palette many times. Look at that. Look at that. It's freaking bomb. Such a beautiful highlight. I don't really use the sparkly white color because it's like, it's too white, but it's also like chunky sparkle, and I'm not into the chunky sparkle, but I do really love the other colors in this palette. And it's like, I think maybe 10 bucks, but look at that highlight. That's like so pretty. I love it. I use this all the time. I did a best of e.l.f. video, I'll link up here. And I showed all my favorite e.l.f. products. Okay, I'm gonna finish up with my eyes and my lips, and then I'm gonna come back and we'll set the face with setting spray. I finished up with my eyes. My lips are Wherever Walnut by Makeup Forever. It's one of my favorite. This is like the 4th one I've gone through. And then the Charlotte Tilbury KKW lipstick. And then for gloss, let's do a little gloss today. I have a million glosses. I need to be way better at wearing them, and I just never do. And for my gloss, I'm gonna do Love Potion by Pat McGrath. I bought these because my friend Laura always talks about how much she loves her lip glosses, so let's do that. This is another key. The key products in this video that you need, that I think really are the game-changing products, are the foundation, and then this setting spray. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. It's my favorite. I could get rid of every other setting spray I own. And just keep this one. I usually have a fan that I would dry my face with, but my sweet daughter stole it and then she killed the battery on it. So I gotta find it and then I need to charge it. But I usually use my like little fan and fan my face, but you know, good old hands will have to work. But that is it. That is what I do for my all day mask friendly Disneyland 16+ hour face routine. It really does last all day. Like I said, I do my makeup at like 6 in the morning and then I don't wash it off till 8 or 9 o'clock at night. And it is still looking fresh. The other nice thing is this combo helps if you wear sunglasses or glasses. It really helps minimize the little sunglass marks or your makeup wearing off from right there, because I wore sunglasses during the day at Disney. Again, it was hot and I had no sunglass marks, which never happens. So that is it for my face routine. I hope you guys found this helpful. This foundation's about $11 off of Amazon. The setting spray is a little bit more expensive, but the Sephora VIB sale is going to be going on November 5th through the 15th, I believe. So if you're watching this during that time, maybe pick one of these up, get some money off. I'm stocking up on this because I just love it so much. And again, this foundation is like so good. It's so good. I can't like sing its praises enough. So that is the routine that I do. That's what keeps my makeup staying on all day long, 16+ hours, looking just as good at the end as it does at the beginning. So that is it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you pick up any of these products and you try this out, let me know your results down below. I hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.